This is the final video to solve the AsIO sys driver block problem in Windows 10 and 11. Are you also facing this issue where Windows suddenly blocks AsIO sys and shows warnings during startup or when opening ASUS apps? This happens because the driver is old and signed or flagged as unsafe by new Windows security rules. And most guides online are too technical or hard to follow. When I faced this same AsIO sys block problem, I tested every possible fix until I found one simple trick that solved it fast. I'm going to share all the easy ways so you can definitely fix it too. This is Rexisht, and here's the clean path to the solution. First, update all ASUS-related apps, like Armory Crate or AI Suite. These apps install a fresh, signed AsIO sys automatically. Next, check Windows security under core isolation. If memory integrity is on, older drivers get blocked. Turning it off temporarily lets you update the driver safely. If the problem keeps coming back, delete the old AsIO sys file from the System32 and Program Files folders, then reinstall the ASUS utility you actually use. And the secret trick that fixed it for me was installing the latest standalone ASUS driver package, which forces Windows to accept the updated signed version. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial for each method, comment below and I'll make it for you.